Right, ladies and gentlemen.
And we are back once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the
Another
TD
one. Come on, T.
Let's take it again.
All right.
Let's wait for the pop first.
3, 2, 1.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome
To another one.
Yes, sir. The NFP, a market moving session. I've got my brother Ash. I go by the name of Tshepo. Listen, we're excited. The guys can feel that we're excited about this, Ash. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to be with everybody. As always, it's our stream for the month.
Absolutely. The first NFP for the month.
Yes.
Before we get started, remember, guys, the information in this session should not be construed as advice. Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. Who do we have online this afternoon?
Oh, okay. I almost did. Yeah. All right. So I think we sorted now. There was a bit of a blunder there. You will see it. Yeah, I see that.
Oh, it is fine now. Eh?
Yeah, it's fine now. Look, we've got the usual suspects back. I can see Mark is there. Reshmi is there. Noveni Knight, Tanya,
Ramgolo
Sianda.
Ramgolo
So we are sticking to Malume Ash. We're sticking to Malume Ash. Malume Yaluman.
That's hilarious, bro.
We've got Mel as always, Zenzi, Jasmine, Particles, Gay One, Pretty, J Sky, Music, Twister. Thank you for joining us, guys. This is the NFP session. Remember, we do this at every NFP release. That is the first Friday of every month.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's really a pleasure being with you guys. We're streaming live from Johannesburg, Sandton. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My man. Let me just let the guys know what we did before. Yeah.
Go for it.
There's a new, not a new season, but there's a new episode of the podcast that's coming out very soon. All right. So keep an eye on it. It will be maybe released next week. We'll see, but keep a very close eye on it. Follow us on all social media platforms. And yeah, let's rock and roll. And while we're on that, guys, if you want to open up an account, sign up for a trading account, our website is tdmarkets.com. We've got the link on the chat, tdmarkets.com. Just sign up for an account. It's going to take you less than 2 minutes. And we also have some education, tdmarketsacademy.com. You need an account before you can get some educational sessions. Yep.
Brother, for the guys that's completing our competency test, so guys, from next week, man, it's going to be fantastic. We're going to have a lot of the Zoom sessions come through, so make sure that you complete your competency test. The link is below. The lovely Tandi's with us here this afternoon as well. Tandi, let's give Tandi a pop.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so the link's been provided there by the lovely Tandi. Complete those competency tests, about 10 questions there. Once you're done, guys, your certificate of competency will be handed or sent to you by email and along with the Zoom link. All right, and that Zoom link is for you only, guys.
Yeah.
All right, please do not share the Zoom link. We obviously have the back end there. Our support team will know exactly what is happening. And who's obviously duplicating and so forth. All right. Please make sure you do not send it out to anyone but yourself. All right.
Yeah. And on that note, with the competency test, we've got the beginner and the advanced. Intermediary and the beginner. The advanced is coming very soon. So you need to complete both beginner, intermediate. And you can also get some ebooks. We've also created a playlist, right, which the people that did this the first time, you didn't get it, but you're going to get an email where you have pre-recorded sessions of phase 1. So phase 1 comes with pre-recorded sessions and the ebooks as well as the entry course, right? So another email is going to come through with that playlist for you to watch those videos in preparation for phase 2.
Yes. I'm seeing something there from Shira, from Mark. All right. So if you were a new student, brand new, that link will take you there to sign up. Yes, you're going to have to sign it up. But if you are already a TD Markets member or family member, You're going to go straight to the downloads at the educational suite, download the ebook, and you'll see there on the screen has beginner entry course, intermediate entry course. So Mark, you can just go directly to that. You already have an account with TD, all right?
Right. Okay, so the guys are coming in. Shirley's in. Noveni, Cyril. Guys, what do you anticipate for gold today during the NFP? We're gonna just explain how we do things. All right. I think Cyril is one of the new guys. Welcome. We welcome you. And also, if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe, like, share. We are gonna explain how we do things.
Yeah.
But this is the non-farm payrolls. Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think let's get into it. Yeah.
Let's get into it, my brother.
All right. So for the guys that's joining for the very first time, remember, guys, we do a lot of education. Our education is important because that lets the guys understand why we do what we do. So the NFP, non-farm payrolls, that's what it stands for. And the question that many guys should obviously ask themselves is what it is. It's the US jobs report that shows how many new jobs were created or lost in the previous month, all right? We can also, or if you'd like to think of it as a health check for the US economy. If businesses are hiring more people, the economy is usually getting stronger. And if businesses are obviously hiring fewer people or cutting the jobs, the economy may be slowing down. And listen to the choices of words, may be. All right, doesn't necessarily mean that. Now, the four numbers every trader should look at when it comes to this report. Number one is the jobs that's being created, the most important one. This tells you how many jobs are there. And you'll see there's obviously the previous, the forecast, and the actual. And that will explain when we get there. The actual is how many were actually reported. Then the second reading you got to look for there is the unemployment rate. All right. This shows the percentage of people who are looking for work but cannot find a job. All right. And if the forecast, as an example, is 4.2% and the actual comes out at 4%, it would mean lower unemployment, more people have jobs. And it's a stronger economy. Higher unemployment, more people are unemployed, and it's possibly a weaker economy. The third reading is the average hourly earnings. That's the wages, all right? The wages report. This shows whether, workers are earning more money. And so you have to see this because if the wages are going up, that's good. There's more people that's getting cash. Yes, stronger possible economy. But what it can also cause is inflation. All right. And that is what we will be looking at as well. And the Fed may want to consider cutting those interest rates. All right. Or raising them depending on what is happening with the inflation. And the last one here is, the previous month's revision. So the government sometimes changes last month's numbers. Example, the previous report could say 200,000 jobs. Then it can get revised to 160,000. But how we would read that is if last month's number is revised down, it means the job market was weaker than first reported. And if it's revised up, it means that the job market was stronger than the first reported. So please, guys, these are the technicalities that can make a move look the way it shouldn't. So we would see that it should be a weaker dollar, but then it's a stronger dollar. And yeah, these four readings, we then combine to find some form of metric and understanding as to why it's not strong and maybe it's going down. I think that's good enough, right?
That's good enough, bro. And I'm happy that you mentioned the revisions, right? Because many traders miss that. They're just looking at the numbers then and non-farm payroll number, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. Revisions are as important, guys. And I think Ash put it nicely for us, all right? So now the May and June payrolls, if they are revised, the market could react just as strongly as it does to the headline figure, all right? So analysts are paying particularly close attention to revisions this month following recent inconsistencies in the labor data, all right? And on that note, so what is the market forecast, right? The market forecast is 85,000 jobs. Markets are broadly expecting 85 or 80,000 jobs, between 80 and 85,000 jobs, following 57,000 previously. unemployment rate, 4.2%. It's been there for a while now, Ash.
Yeah, it has.
And then you've got average hourly earnings at 0.3%. I'm noticing that you also have the CAD employment data as well,
Which is fantastic because we want to see some of that oil move, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. The CAD is the commodity currency.
Yes.
So oil also tends to affect the CAD as a currency.
Yeah, exactly.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the forecast. So this time around, I don't see any revisions looking at the data here.
Same here. We're going to have to see if there's anything that breaks as we're going on.
Yeah. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the the data from the NFP. Last time out, it came out at 57,000 new jobs. We had some strong movements there. All right, and it's interesting that markets are forecasting low figures now, Ash.
It's so interesting because remember the rates they want to hike the rates, but the figures are coming out low, so they don't hike the rate.
Yeah, just interesting. Yeah,
it's very interesting, and how everything comes, coincidentally. Yeah, it's like, okay, so we want to hike the rates. There's an over 60% chance that they want to hike it, but then low figures come. I mean, look at the ADP, look at the JOLTS. It was weak.
Yeah, it was weak. ADP 44,000. The JOLTS below 7.4 million.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, it's going to be interesting. We're really looking forward to it. We have our popular assets that we're looking at, the dollar pairs. We're looking at the US indices, the gold, of course, and the silver.
Yeah.
Needless to say, that's it. Yeah.
All right, there we go. So how do we do things? How do we do I can see a lot of people are looking for what you spoke about on the podcast.
There's it there. Yeah.
So guys, this is how we do things, all right? And this is what we do. Now, of course, there are people who are joining us for the first time, and we welcome you.
Yeah.
All right.
But come on, Hello, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, look, for the benefit of those who are joining us for the first time, number one, we don't give any signals.
Yes.
And I think it's important that I put this back on, right? Remember, the information in this session is not advice. So we don't give out signals. We look at the data and so this is how we do it. Let me just explain, right? So we enter after the report has come out. You don't enter before, we enter after the report has come out, all right? We are looking at the commodities, we are looking at the dollar currencies, all right? So you will see most of the time my chart having gold, USD JPY as well as silver, all right?
And it's very comparative. We compare,
exactly, 100%. So what we see right now is gold, silver, USD JPY. The time frames we're going to use is the M15 going down. We may look at the hour, we may look at the 4 hour, but most of the times we look at the minute time frames. Now, we're going to wait for the report to come out. We're going to wait for the initial reaction. And then we're going to look at things we look at, right?
Yeah.
Structure, information, try to consolidate and make sense of what it means. Once we find a clearer picture, structure, direction, that is when we then engage, all right? So that's how we do it. So the focus here is scalping. We're going to scalp, and so we're waiting for the figures to come out, and then we engage. There's nothing wrong in taking it before the report.
Absolutely, because guys, remember everything that T mentioned, it goes hand in hand with different strategies, guys that are definitely trading with different styles, different risk profiles. People have different capitals. When I say different trading account capitals, some guys have cent accounts, others mini accounts, others standard accounts. The contract sizes are different on that. And then on top of that, it is also about the leverage you have. So it's very, very important that you guys understand that. So if you're going to be scalping, all right, and you have $5 in your trading account, understand that that is going to become some form of a limitation to you if you have a standard account. All right. If you have a cent account with $50 or $20, it's a different story now. All right. So you have to make sure that you understand those things. And that's what we're going to be, that's what we teach the guys. In our Zoom sessions, we chat about these things that we're mentioning now. Obviously, we're not going into detail at this point because it's not a teaching session. This, in specificity, this is actually a trading, a live trading room to see how the markets are performing at this point in time. All right. And that is what we're alluding to with the scalping. Myself and T, we engage together ourselves here because we have the risk profile for ourselves. We've designed it already before we go into the markets. We know what leverage we're using. We know the lot sizes that we want to use. So we've already done that work before the actual move happens. All right. But there's some guys that do it before the move happens. They enter and they feel comfortable with that. All right. And that may just be a way they approach it. But that's really okay. We're really not against that. All right. Yeah. Different strokes for different folks, as they say.
Exactly. So that's how we do things, guys. And like I said, if you're joining us for the first time, you'll get to see how we do things, right? However, like Ash said, there's nothing wrong in taking the trade before the report comes out.
Yes.
There is a way in which we do it. All right. So there we go. Let's see. When does the report come out? It comes out at 2:30.
In about 12 minutes.
Yeah, in about 12 minutes time, 2:30. All right. So we've got gold, we've got silver and USD JPY right now on the screen, right? And Ash, is there any dollar pairs you're keeping an eye on?
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on the AUD USD, the NZD, the GBP, and the Euro. All right, but I'll let you know if there's any movement there.
Sure.
But I think from a comparative perspective, I think the gold and the silver and the UJ, we normally check that first.
Yeah.
They're normally very sensitive to the movement, so we'll check those ones out as it goes. All right.
All right, there we go, guys. Okay.
And then sorry, brother, just even the oil price. I'm checking the oil.
All right.
Because I'd really like to see what the oil does. It's now done a pullback, which is what we've been discussing in the trading room, which is what we wanted. And I told the guys it can happen before NFP, it can happen after NFP. Fortunately enough, why I'm loving this price action so much is because it's actually happening before the result. Before. And that gives us great content and it aligns with what we've been saying. So it's really, really great to see that, yeah?
Yes, sir. No, we're going to definitely keep an eye on it. All right. So, guys, all right. So I'm on gold, USD, JPY, and silver. I'm gonna just look for some levels before we engage with the market, right? Nothing much is happening on gold and silver except there's a push towards the downside. In terms of the levels, I don't see any.
Yeah. Look, the silver, right? Maybe you can put 61.671 there, brother, because there's divergence on the 1 hour when it comes to the silver. I saw that. If you go to the RSI, you're going to see the divergence there that's on the silver now, all right?
Yeah.
So 61.671.
All right.
So if we get a stronger dollar here, we may just be going back to that specific zone over there.
Got you.
Which is a phenomenal place.
Yeah.
It's a great move to the downside.
Got you. Yeah, we're going to definitely keep an eye out for it. In fact, there was a trade for a short on silver on the 5 minutes. There was a nice continuation down, but let's see what's going to,
Can I give you something else, bro?
Go for it.
But it's too close. It's okay. I'll revert back.
It's too close.
Yeah, it's too close, man. It's already 63.93 and I was going to look at 63.20. 16. It's too close there at this point.
Okay, no.
All right, I'll wait.
Yeah. We'll keep an eye on it. On USD JPY, on the 1 hour there's a slight consolidation between 158.5 to 158.2. That consolidation. So we may get a break up or down, which it's going to give us a strong push. But before that, price has been, getting some momentum towards the upside. When you look at the 1 hour time frame, right? On the daily time frame, that aggressive sell-off, price is trying to recover. Right. So the question is, looking at the USD JPY price action, could that be a sign that we could get a strong dollar? We could get like good NFP figures, maybe same unemployment rate and maybe same wage growth, but that unemployment figure or rather NFP figure be above 100K.
Yeah.
If it's above 100K, then that's definitely a stronger dollar. We're going to see USD JPY breaking 158.54, pushing towards the upside. I think anything above 158.54, there is a nice push towards the upside. So on my end here, Ash, in terms of the structure I'm seeing so far, I think USD JPY, the current price action is is proper for some trades. But let's see. I think I'm leaning towards USD JPY.
USD JPY. The gold price, if I can say this, that high where it's at right now, okay? There is a zone below 4305.
4305.
Yeah, 4305.25. That's a 15-minute structure that I'm looking at there.
Let me put it there. 4305.25.
So we'll break below that area there, down to 4229. That's the zone. 4229.19.
4229. That's all the way down there.
Yeah.
4229.
Yeah. So a break beneath there. So the reason why I'm giving it down till there is because the guys can exit anytime before that.
Yeah.
You see. So that's just a marker, a guideline. But if they want to exit, and they feel they'd like to do that, they are more than welcome to.
Got you.
Yeah.
100%.
Just a bit of space.
Right. There's a question there. Malome Ash, can you please give a nugget on NZD USD?
NZD USD. So at this point, right, the NZD USD is still really pushing sideways, but a zone for you to watch the king, 0.58428, 0.58428. All right, it would sound like an IP address if I did it like 0.58.428. It's like an IP address, yeah. So it's the 58 US cents to the Kiwi dollar, right? 0.58428. That area there, I'm seeing that the structure to the downside could possibly continue after that area. So just check it out there, all right? 0.58428. I almost said point again. All right.
So got it, yeah? We're going to show the NZD USD chart very soon.
We'll show it soon. And that's if remember, we're waiting for a possible stronger dollar here. I mean, 50,000 jobs is easy to beat.
Yeah, definitely.
It's actually very easy to beat. And it would be a nice, refreshing thing for the US dollar, actually, because it's been pretty weak.
Yeah, the NFP data has been, it's been a long story here. As Bongile says, it's been long. Hey, welcome
Bongile.
All right, so what do you guys think? Now, do let us know, do you guys think, when you look at your charts, do you guys think we're going to have a stronger dollar, weaker dollar? What do you guys think? Right, what do you guys think is going to happen, right? I've got my own thoughts here, our own thoughts.
Yeah.
But we're waiting for the data to come out. So we're not looking to enter before, right? We want to take it when it comes out.
Yes.
But that USD JPY, it's calling my name, Ash.
It's calling your name.
It's calling my name, definitely.
Look, I'm seeing 159 on the USD JPY. I'll be honest, bro.
159.
159, bro. And it's not even that far up, actually, because remember, this thing fell last week. So it's not that unrealistic to see 159.
About 47 pips.
Yeah, 159.680. I'm seeing it, man. Unless we get a weaker dollar here today.
Yeah,
but that's an upward structure. It's clear as daylight.
Definitely, 100%. So so it's just calling my name. Let's see. People are saying weaker dollar. Someone say strong dollar, weaker dollar. Okay, we have.
So nice,
50-50. I'm thinking slight stronger dollar. Okay.
Guys, we love the fact that there's a different view here because that's how markets are created.
Yes,
It's created because of indifferent views. It's brilliant.
Sir. Yes,
and guys, it was about 15 likes here. We're about 90 people.
Yeah,
guys,
so
let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up there, guys. I'm sure, man.
Yeah, it's you like to say it's not a what to ask for the likes. It's not a. You like to say it on the trading rooms. You say
it's natural to ask for it.
It's natural. You say Tato said something.
Tato gave me the script. He's like, Ash, just ask for the likes. We're feeding the algorithm. So guys, that's what we're saying here. Just like the stream. All right. So let's see. Let's see.
Cool stuff. We are under 3 minutes or just under 4 minutes.
And that oil price, man, looks like it's found a bit of support now, T, man.
Let's have a look at it.
Look at the oil price, man. It's like it's found a bit of support there. You go to the 1 hour. I don't know. We chatted about this, guys. We mentioned this at 9:30 this morning too.
Brent WTI. Which one is it?
Crude. Yeah, crude.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, you're seeing
on the 1 hour. Look at that, bro. Look at that. That's a beautiful higher low. So now, and the oil has been dictating the strength of the dollar for the past week and a half now. You know, whenever the oil price goes down, the dollar goes down. When the oil price goes up, the dollar goes up because of the Middle East and the inflation concerns, right? Yeah, exactly.
I see. Okay, so this structure, you're looking for higher low.
Yeah, I'm looking for a high low. Check share there, the temptation with the oil. I'm just saying, guys, we chatted about this. I know all the guys that were in there, we spoke about this. There it is right there. There it is right there.
All right. Yeah, no, we're going to definitely have a look at
the oil, yeah?
At the oil. Okay. Yeah, I think we've got 94 people watching us live. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for joining us. Next week, we've got NFP. Not NFP, CPI. Right. And then we are about 55 seconds and counting. All right. So the US non-farm payroll report out of the BLS, right? Yeah. Out of the BLS, US non-farm employment report, or the CAD also have employment data. So we are 35 seconds and counting away from that. Hope you guys are ready. We are ready. We are excited. And let's go, man. Let's go.
How many seconds left there?
There's about 20
seconds.
20 seconds.
Man,
Let's go.
This thing looks like it wants to come down. This silver, bro. Silver coming down there. Bro, we're coming down here, man.
USD JPY.
Yeah. What's the reading there?
It's about to come out now. Boom! It's out.
Bad.
Ooh. Wait. Let's see. It's pending.
Bad for the dollar.
It's bad for the dollar.
Bad for the dollar.
Ooh.
The oil price is not reacting yet.
Look at that USD JPY. 23,000.
No, you see that? No.
Yeah. 23,000. Come on.
We don't believe this, guys.
Unemployment rate went down to 4.1% from 4.2%.
We don't believe it, guys. It cannot.
Wage growth 0.1%. This is for the month of July. Wow.
All right. So gold is resuming the move to the upside. It's that simple.
Yeah.
It's resuming the move to the upside. It's that simple.
Okay. So gold broke above those highs. Silver broke above those highs. The USD JPY broke down. Yeah, that was a pretty solid move from the... Yeah, USD JPY was going to either break down or break up.
That's the higher low, though.
On USD JPY?
Yeah, and on NZD JPY. Should have. Euro JPY, let's see. Yeah, so there's a bit of a higher low, which we also chatted about with the guys. But it's not as strong on the other yen pairs like it is with the UJ. But again, the gold price, what I said to the guys in the week was, I'm actually looking for a hold on gold. 4260 above, right?
Okay.
And I separated the charts. I showed the long I'm actually looking for because that's a big hold. Yeah. And then I said there's a possibility we could be coming back down for a deeper correction.
Got you.
You see, so I separated the two scenarios. It looks like the first scenario is now playing out, but still 20,000 jobs, bro.
It's a
little bit low.
No.
It's a little bit low. And then we're seeing the NAS and so forth. It's not much really that's moving there.
The NAS is not moving much?
Yeah, the indices are still within structure. It hasn't broken anything there. The oil price, I'm looking at it, it's still at that low there. So, yeah, guys, it's the USD Swiss franc that broke. Silver broke. Gold also broke up. So,
yeah.
All right, so it's moving into that area, bro.
Okay, so now it's 1432. We are on the M15 candle, which is still forming. If you go to the M5 also still forming. It's going to close in about 3 minutes time.
Yes.
All right, so I'm looking at silver on the M5 there, Ash.
Yeah.
Gold also on the M5. I just want to see how that M5 candle closes. We do have a high on silver at 65.04. Gold, the high on 4362.1, the high of the current candle. So USD JPY, the low on 157.4. I'm on the 5 minutes time frame. I just want to see how this will close.
Now, just for the guys, right? The gold is moving upward with the 4-hour time frame now.
Okay.
4365. Above 4365.
Yeah.
We can push to the upside now.
Got you. I've got the same zone.
Exactly. Yeah. So guys, that's what we're looking at this point in time. All right. And then that's a big hold to about 4640.
464.
Yeah. That's a massive. So if I get a break above this, that 4365, bro, to the upside, I want to go up.
I'm with you.
Yeah, I want to go up. I want to hold that one. So either way.
Also silver, we've got 65.04. So same outlook as gold. A break above that. We're looking to continue pushing up.
Yeah, and that's the 4-hour time frames now. So it's the higher time frames that's in control right now. There's no pullbacks at this point in time.
So at the moment, USD JPY is approaching, okay, so it broke.
That might just hit a higher low, bro, and then it continues later. You see. May just
the structure
it may just give us a higher low. That's it.
So USD JPY is down 90 pips so far. Still pushing down though. Still pushing down.
Bro, the silver 64.360. Then we push up. 64.360.
I've got 64.6.
Okay.
Well, it's above 64.6 now.
Yeah, so I want to close above 64.36.
Look at gold. Look at what gold is doing.
Up.
Yeah. Well, it's trying to breach that 436. Yeah. Silver, it broke up. Okay, so the M5 candle is closed.
Is it above? It's above.
The gold is not above. It's below that level, but silver is above.
Above 64.
Yeah, 64.6.
That's it.
Yeah. So standing by. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking at gold. I'm just gonna adjust this high edge to 4364. I think it's the same. We're still on the same zone. 4364. So we're looking at gold breaking above 4364, and then there's some scalps above that, just in and out. We're looking at silver also breaking 65.0, some scalps in and out quick above that. It's above 64.6 at the moment. All right. So there could be some scalps taking us to 65.0 and breaking it. So that is the idea, the outlook we have at the moment. So let me just make sure I'm sorted this side.
Yeah, gold is still it's touching that area now. But you see, for me, the reason why I am on this thing here is because there's still divergence there at the top. So in as much as we want to go up, there's still divergence there.
Don't you think it's gonna go up first and then?
Yeah, and then come down.
Yeah. All right. So gold is approaching that 4364 scalps. We're looking at for scalps above that. Silver 65.0, some quick scalps above that, and then we're in and out. In and out. Standing by.
Fallacy of the gray. That's king there. If you're averaging two extremes up or down. Yeah. Oh, fallacy of the gray. Interesting.
So standing by. And then just a quick update on USD JPY.
Yeah, brother, I'm telling you, man, that divergence there, that thing even on the 15-minute, right?
Yeah.
The 1 hour, there's so much divergence there.
15 minutes and 1 hour.
Yeah, this, especially with gold, there's so much divergence, bro. I'm seeing it.
Now let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on it. All right, so standing by. Standing by, standing by.
Yeah, I'm seeing the divergence at this point.
Yeah, so you just
Yeah.
keep it on the divergence, and then I'll just check here.
I'm gonna wait with the silver, and I'm just gonna wait a little bit with the gold and with the silver. I just want to see what happens at that high.
No problem.
If we break, because I see the silver's coming down again.
Yeah.
You see that?
So the M15 is still intact, right? It isn't closed. So
Exactly. There's a rejection at that top.
with your divergence, if we change and go down,
Yeah.
we're gonna go down with it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's exactly. So in as much as it's a weaker dollar,
Yeah.
it does not mean that we can't push in the opposite direction. You see.
Yes, sir.
So that divergence, to me, I'm going to listen to my instinct with that and wait for it.
All right. So standing by, standing by, standing by. All right. How we doing, guys? Sam, you gonna pay lobola? Hey, did you and Sam discuss something there, Ash?
Yeah, that BTC, man, we are okay there with the BTC.
Nice one.
We've been pushing with the BTC there.
Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. All right. Okay. So look at gold. We yeah. All right. Yeah. So seems like there's still a bit of momentum towards the upside there on gold and silver there, Ash.
But on what time frame are you?
Yeah. I'm on the M5. You monitor the 4 hour and the 1 hour.
And the 1 hour divergence,
Yeah, and I'll monitor the lower time frame. So I'm loving what silver is doing. If it can just maintain this, the M15 hasn't closed. So standing by. So gold is trying to breach above that 4364. That is silver. XAG USD. XAG USD. There we go. All right. Cool stuff. Okay, so the second M15 candle, M5 candle. So keeping a close eye on it. If according to divergence on the higher time frames, if price change, we change with it. All right. So we're just waiting for just a couple more data here.
Yeah, look at that rejection, bro.
What time frames again are you watching?
15, 1 hour, and 4 hour.
All right.
Because of the divergence. And it's rejecting at the 64.68. You see, so the 15-minute now is now, if it breaks, so if it closes beneath 64.68, 64.688, if it rejects, if the 15-minute closes beneath there, we may possibly now come down first because of that divergence that I'm picking up on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour and the 4 hour as well.
1 hour, 4 hour.
And there's also on the 1 hour, it's there like literally, and then the 15-minute, yeah. So let's see there, 15-minute below 64.688. That area is going to be crucial.
All right, so let's just wait and see. Keeping a close eye on silver on the 5 minutes time frame. So keeping a close eye on silver. USD JPY for now, just waiting.
And obviously above that 64 means we continue to the upside. You see what I'm saying? So it looks like, let's see, 15-minute, how many? 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
And it's now above.
Yeah, it's trading above.
It's trading above that area. Gold is a 4365. It's at that resistance.
USD JPY is moving alongside them. So the correlation at the moment is not aligned. Yeah, gold is above that 4364, right? USD silver is calling my name. Yeah, no, I don't want to lie. Silver is calling my name. All right, standing by. All right. In fact, so the M15, there's about under 2 minutes left, under 3 minutes left.
Yeah, 2 minutes for the 15.
Yeah, for the 15. Okay. Yeah, so gold is above that 4364. Quick scalps would have been there. So I think before the divergence play out, it might just complete the move before the divergence plays out.
AUD USD. Let's see what is the divergence on this one, because there's still so much. There's a lot of divergence, man. I'm still seeing, like, I'm really genuinely seeing that still.
Standing by. All right. Okay, so I guess just a few seconds left to this candle. All right, it's gonna close now. Let's see. Okay, the M15 candle is closed.
Is it above?
Yeah, it's above 436. Silver is above 64.
Yeah, 60. Okay, so we may be going to that 65, 66 first.
Yeah.
Before the divergence kicks in.
So there's a new high on gold on 4370. A new high on gold. The silver high is still the same, 65.
Yeah.
But it's above 64 at the moment. So standing by. Yeah. So for me, anything above 65 on silver, just quick scalps in and out, then we're good. All right, standing by. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are, north of 100 viewers at the moment. Thank you so much. We've got 111 viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. We do this every NFP and every CPI. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome to TD Markets. This is the live stream. All right. Okay. So let's see. Waiting on gold and silver just to break those highs. Standing by.
60. Yeah. So we're at 64 now. Looking to go to 65 on silver.
Looking to go to 65.
The NZD USD. So watch out for those highs there. The high is at 59. Let's see what it does there. There's still lots of divergence here as well. Even although we have a candle there, if you go to the hour, that candle there has not broken the strength on the RSI at all. It hasn't. So we're gonna wait and see what happens at the high. All right.
Yeah, no, silver's looking good. Almost there. Gold, that new high 4370, it's trying to break it. Almost there. Silver almost there. Standing by. All right. Cool stuff. All right. Yeah, no, it's really looking good. It's really looking good. Whew. All right. So these are the levels, guys. These are levels. NFP figures negative for the dollar, supporting the commodities right now. So we are going with that, right? Ash is keeping an eye on the divergence on the higher time frame.
Yep.
I'm on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and we're just looking at, both time frames to see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
At the moment, silver is above 64, slowly approaching 65. It breaks 65. There's a bit of scalps. Even where it is now, there's some few scalps where silver is at the moment. But once it breaks that high, then we're anticipating momentum to continue. So yeah, so we're standing by. There's a bit of a fight now. There's a bit of a fight. All right. So gold is rejecting.
Yeah. That divergence. Yeah.
All right. 65.
Yeah, so there's a high. I think it's going to create a high, and then after that.
That's what I'm thinking as well.
So 4349, I'm going to start looking. If it comes beneath 4349,
yeah,
I'm going to be looking for some shorts there, bro.
Okay.
Bets on gold.
If it goes below
4349, yeah.
4349.
Yeah, I'm going to be looking for, and that's a 15-minute frame. So if it closes beneath that area, I'll be looking for some shorts. Yep.
All right. Now let's see. While we're waiting for the market to move, guys. So, okay. So, obviously the NFP figures came much weaker than expected, and market reaction makes sense right now. The dollar is going up. Sorry, gold is going up. Silver is going up. Now, we went over the numbers. There was also a large downward revision to prior months. That's insane. Let me quickly go. So that's a negative 23,000 jobs.
That's...
bro, negative. So this could be a dovish.
So interest rates report. Can stay. So now interest rates stay unchanged for some time.
The payroll miss is significant, the payroll miss is significant, and weaker wage growth suggests labor market pressures are easing.
But remember, Trump wants lower rates, bro.
He does want, and he said it even recently.
And then Fed chair says they data dependent.
They're data dependent. They're not gonna give forward guidance.
Now check this data.
Is exactly. And the Fed chair also said, hey, look, we want markets to actually react to incoming data, to react to data like this. See what's happening, bro.
I see that.
To react to data like this, my word.
Negative. Bro, since when did we have negative? We've been doing NFP now for some time.
Wasn't there one negative 2 years ago?
Bro. Negative.
Let's check. Yeah, I think there was a negative.
Nah, the lowest was maybe 11,000 or something, or 10,000, something like that.
I'll tell you.
From when we've been pushing.
Yeah. Remember,
Negative.
I promise you, there was a negative. This year, no, okay, this was a revision without any revisions. Also, there's never been a negative.
There hasn't been a negative, bro.
There's never. I remember there was a 12,000 at some point.
Yeah, there was like a 10, somewhere around there. But a negative, no.
Nah, there's never been a negative.
No, there's cooking books here, man.
They are cooking us.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense, bro.
Sure.
Such a big economy, so big, the biggest, the superpower. Negative.
Doesn't make sense, bro. Does not make sense. The lower unemployment rate is the one offsetting factor, but payrolls and unemployment came from different surveys. So
the new Fed check comes in and we have a negative. He's been in place for what, 2 months now? A month, 2?
Yeah, I think 2, 3. This is its 3rd month.
And already we have a negative.
You think questions are gonna be?
Of course, bro. And Trump is pro cuts.
Yeah, very much so.
He is with Trump. He is pro cuts. Negative 23,000.
I'm interested to listen to Trump's response, actually, if they're gonna ask him about the data.
And if he says, "Oh no, wonderful,"
and it's still gonna go back to the interest rate and say, "Hey, look, the rates still has to go down. Still has to be lower." You know, I told Wash is my friend. We're very good friends with Wash, but I told him, "Hey, Wash, the rates have to go down." And, you know, it does. The rates has to go down.
The rates have to go down. See, and that is what he didn't have in common with Powell. Yeah, he was totally different.
Yeah, it was totally different.
So there's that rejection now, bro.
All right,
like the Aussie dollar now beneath 70 cents. That becomes you see.
Silver's also so silver never went above 65. Still on 64. Okay, so you said you're looking at NZD.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at AUD USD.
USD.
Yeah, and gold.
Yeah, gold also is rejecting that. All right. So we're standing by. The US has recorded negative, numbers during. COVID-19. We were not doing the session there, but all right, there were negative figures in COVID. Yeah, well, it makes sense. Bangoba, those were the revisions. There were revised figures. If you look at the calendar, there were revised figures there. Like the one for March, there was a revised figure.
Yep. And we had mentioned the revisions earlier on when we explained.
Yeah. All right.
So AUD USD, it's now going to dip below the 70 cents. So we possibly coming down now with AUD USD. Let's see. Yeah. But there's a rejection there now.
Yeah, there's a rejection now. So you're keeping an eye on that divergence.
Yes.
Let's see. All right. So at the moment, guys, silver did not break that high. Gold didn't break that high.
Yes.
So we're not in anything at the moment, right?
So below 4349, I want shorts here, bro.
Below 4349
on gold.
Yeah, I will keep an eye on USD JPY as well. All right, standing by. Yeah, no, my Trump voice still has it needs some improvement. You know, I still need to work on it. Yeah, that voice for me is difficult to crack it, bro, but I'm gonna crack it.
Which voices can you do?
I used to do a bit of Denzel. Just a bit because I watched a lot of Denzel movies.
You're gonna
Yeah.
something on.
Yeah. Let me remember a line from one of Denzel's movies.
All right, guys, did you hear that? We're gonna hear it from Denzel. I'm honored to be in the studio with Denzel at this moment.
My man. That's what he says, my man. My man. Let me remember. I'm not gonna say the famous line from the Training Day.
Yeah.
King Kong has no. I'm not gonna say that because I need to.
Has got no what on me? That's something.
Yeah, King Kong has no dude on me. There's a couple of lines that I know from the Great Debaters, the Equalizer, American Gangster.
I mean, I can quickly pull famous lines here, no?
Yeah.
Must I pull a few famous lines?
Yeah,
here?
maybe let's say from American Gangster.
Okay.
One of my favorite movies, American Gangster. You must watch it from Denzel.
The GOAT Washington. All right, guys, I am honored to be with Denzel Washington.
Guys, while we're waiting for the markets to move, some acting lessons, not classes, but performances here. Hold me a line.
Okay,
guys.
let me see. Okay, so
and I hope I will remember the conversation, the dialogue.
All right, so from Frank Lucas, the American Gang. Guys, by the way, it's an honor for me to be in the place with Denzel Washington. Okay, so here we go. So the first one, the loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room.
I remember.
Okay.
He was with his cousins.
Yeah.
And they were sitting in a restaurant, right?
I can give you 7 lines, and then you can decide from which one.
Okay.
Okay. So, first one, the loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room.
So that's the line.
Yeah.
Okay. The next
Second line is you're making too much noise. Keep it quiet.
Remember that scene?
3-1 is success has enemies. Number 4, I don't want to be the richest man in the cemetery. I just want to live.
I don't remember that one.
Number 5, business is business. Number 6, you can be successful and have enemies, or you can be unsuccessful and have friends. And then the last one, the thing about being successful is staying successful.
Nah, those lines, I've got a line. It's actually a monologue.
Okay.
Let me play a monologue.
All right, guys, monologue 3.
All right. Wait. I need to get in character.
Okay, wait. All right, 3. Are you ready?
Wait.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Let me get in character. I need to get in character now. And I'm glad I've got the cap on because you guys won't see my eyes. You're going to make me shy here.
All right.
Let's go, yeah.
Thandi, check this out. Thandi, check this out. Where's the lovely Thandi? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3. I'm going to do the horn. After the horn, we're going. Okay, 3.
Wait.
So I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, then the horn, okay?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
I'm more enlightened than some of my friends. You can guarantee me peace of mind. I messed it up. I messed it up. Wait.
How's it go again? Let him cook.
Yeah, right. Let me remember the line, guys.
All right.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so the line goes, I'm more in line with some of my friends. I can guarantee you peace of mind. That's what you said, Dominic. I can guarantee you peace of mind. I don't feel peaceful. Huh? They tried to kill my wife. Oh, snap. And then he likes to make, his mouth. They tried to kill my wife. Who was that? Yeah, it's
guys,
an improv, definitely.
Yeah, it's an improv. Let's give T a round, guys. Let's give T a round.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, but Denzel is my guy.
Yeah, he's Yeah, listen here, guys. Listen here. It never gets boring with us, yeah? AUD USD, bro, going down now.
Yeah, let's come back. AUD USD.
Yeah, it's going down. Oh, there's a correction. Okay, I'm in with AUD USD, bro. I just jumped in there.
With AUD USD.
Yeah. It's below the 70 cents there to the Aussie. 70 US cents to the Aussie.
Yeah.
But the gold has not broken yet, so I want to wait on that one.
All right. Yeah. So there's a bit of a pull down now. I'm looking at that USD JPY. Here. Let's see.
So which means it should be pushing up again, bro, after that. Because remember, it came down. There it's going up. You see that?
Yeah.
Exactly. So if it pushes above USD JPY, bro, if it pushes above 158, it's breaking that previous high. I'm going in there. But for now, AUD USD.
150, say 158.
158. That's the previous high now, 158.569. I'm going to wait for it to develop a little bit. So above the previous high, if it breaks, I'm going up. For now, AUD USD.
Okay.
And then waiting for gold. I'm just waiting for gold. Hey?
Look at what Tandy's saying there.
Come on, Tandy. Oh.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right. So let's come back.
We need that sound clip, sound bite. Let him cook.
We're gonna look for it.
We need to get it.
Yeah.
I agree with that sound bite.
You're gonna definitely look for it. Okay. So gold and silver, we have no opportunities there at the moment.
Well, look, gold, I'm looking for a short now. Okay.
You're looking for a short. You've got a level there.
I got a level beneath 4349.85. I want to look for a short. The AUD USD, I'm in there now for a short. It rejected and came back down. So yeah, even silver, bro. Silver, interestingly enough.
Yeah, there's a huge rejection.
That's that divergence that could be kicking in now, you see. And the oil price is continuing again. Look at that AUD USD. For all the guys that are checking out AUD USD, look at that.
All right. So let's get to work. What people saying something there? My man. Yeah, no, that's Denzel. My man.
All right, so gold has come down nicely beneath. I'm going to jump into gold below the 4349. And then that high is my limit. So if it breaks and closes above that high there, I'm not going to continue with it. This is a scalp. It's a 1 minute frame,
I think silver, I might hang on a little bit. I want to see what's going to happen on 64.2, 63.9.
Okay. Yeah, silver's rejecting at that zone, bro. Bro, I actually see silver going down to about 63.
I'm also looking at that possibility.
So I'm in on gold and I'm in on AUD for shorts at this point.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
So this silver candlestick.
Hey, you know what, Nkone, I hear you, man. But hey, the acting for me, that's not my. Tea is dangerous. In Afrikaans, we say gevaarlijk, you know. In Afrikaans, we say gevaarlijk, you know. Yeah. Tea is danger, man. For me, the acting thing, I don't think I'm as gifted as tea, man.
Yo, that line from Michael J. White, that's a nice line, but yeah, I need to understand the scene, you know. Yeah,
you check out, he just eased into that one, guys. Yeah, he just eased like, yeah, nah, listen, that's a nice line.
I am the punishment.
You see, that's talent, bro, because look at that. He's able to ease in. When I saw that line, I saw lots of words, bro.
Yeah, I know, that's a very nice line. I just need to imagine the scene and just allow my creativity.
Oh, come on, man, bro. Come on, represent, my brother. Nah, listen.
You know how it is, bro.
Yeah.
100%.
Oh, love it, man. Love it. Guys, you're at the right place. We keep saying it.
Definitely.
You at the right place here, all right? So yeah, bro, that gold, I switched character back to the trading. I'm laughing and then I switch back. So that's also character change, right?
Ash is getting into it slowly.
It was quick character change from the laughing of Michael J. White, quick into the trades. So gold, bro. I'm in on shorts there. This thing is looking lekker now, right? So guys, gold and AUD USD. There's a bit of a rejection there. But remember, scalping, you actively engaging. So those highs are very important. If you get any closes above those highs, then obviously that eliminates this entire setup here at this point in time. So just watch that very carefully right now. That's gold and that's AUD USD. And then obviously we're seeing silver possibly coming back to that 63.559 now. All right.
Yeah, no, I see. I'm also watching out silver at the same time. Yeah.
And then guys, NZD USD. Also a bit of a rejection there. So that move, man, it didn't break the bank because even NZD USD, right? It's still within that consolidated move. So if you look at NZD USD, guys, it's been consolidating for about 7 days now. All right. Now in that 7 days, today is actually what's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, today's the seventh day. Now within inclusive of today, it just went back to the previous high, which was on the third day. That's it. It did not break out and move away from it. So hence I'm saying to you guys now that could be that rejection that can push this thing to the downside, because there has to be some dollar strength at some point, and the markets are looking for that. You see.
Got you.
You see.
I'm with you. Yeah.
Because it negative 23,000 T. That's hectic, bro.
That's hectic.
For an economy of that size, that massive. So what are we missing then? So then what is all this talk about the resilience of the labor market that's been happening over the past 3 weeks, the past month? Analysts have been coming and saying this, the job market remains resilient. How can in 1 week everything just tank like that for an economy that is that massive? You see what I'm saying?
So
bro?
this week, all of the economic data, the jobs report this week from your job openings, ADP,
everything,
it's just been weak.
Exactly. But then the past 2-3 months, resilience. Now, isn't resilience then supposed to kick in and gather momentum?
See?
It may not have been 55,000. Maybe it could have been 65,000.
Yeah.
But at least it would have shown if there's a slowing down, the resilience is still there. There can be a slowdown, but to go negative 23,000, come on.
Bro.
Come on, man.
No.
But at the end of the day, it's the market.
Listen, I'll be waiting for Trump's response.
Yeah.
I know that one of the journalists will ask him.
Yeah, they're going to ask him. It's going to be interesting to see. I mean, even NAS 100 and some of the guys that's online here. This week, we've been following NAS closely, US 30 closely, S&P closely, right? They've not pushed anywhere that is past the current structure. Yes, there's some volatility inside of that structure, but nothing crazy to say, listen, we've now broken and we're moving away. It's still at the same correction that it has been, even although there's volatility in that correction. It's not done much.
I'm with you.
You see. So, yeah.
I'm with you. Yeah, no, guys, I think we have a lot of, we require a lot of answers now.
Yeah.
We've got questions. We need a lot of answers. So,
bro, did you see the oil price goes up, right? Comes down. Then yesterday we see the, let me just go to the chart here, right? We see yesterday price was trading in the consolidation, right? Around 6 o'clock we have a breakout. Late last night, a further extension. I told the guys in the trading room, watch the news because of that move to the upside there. Literally, brother, now Iran wants 20% tariff fees on the cargo that moves through the strait.
25%.
20%. And that was the cause of that. So the coincidentally, we're moving in the consolidation and then boom, that's released. So this move to the to the upside here, it's going to be because of in the straight. But remember, higher oil prices mean what? Inflation. So that doesn't make sense to the job numbers. Because if there's higher inflation, think about it. There was more spending that happened. CPI, when the CPI is higher, meaning there had to be more jobs, more salaries, more wages for people to have access to money so they can spend. You see, but if there's no jobs, there's less spending, there's less inflation.
So next week CPI.
So by virtue, just looking at it from that angle, we should get a lower CPI number, right? Possibly, but again, the oil price pushed up. So that becomes something that's thrown in the spanner there.
No, I'm with you.
You see,
those high oil prices, there's concerns now.
Those are the concerns, exactly. But there's less jobs. Minus 23,000.
Sure. Amen.
So let's see how it does. Right now, gold is still looking to come down and correct.
Yeah.
AUD USD is still looking down to come and correct, and so is the other major pairs. Watching those highs very carefully. BTC, by the way, that's what I like about BTC, bro. It's nice and stable at that support.
Yeah, no, BTC, trust.
It's like it's so stable at that area.
I've been watching it this whole week, actually.
Yes.
It's
looking great, eh?
All right, so silver is now below 64, trying to break 64 below.
Yeah, you see. Exactly, bro.
All right, so you're holding gold now?
Gold and AUD USD, yeah.
I'm not on anything at the moment, so...
Because remember,
at silver,
and they move together. AUD, gold, you see. So
yeah, AUD and gold.
They move together, so...
Trump will be responding after how long from now? I don't know, but what I usually do is, these things, sometimes you catch them by luck by watching Bloomberg. When you watch Bloomberg, their inserts, they tend to, to show Trump's responses to these questions. So sometimes you get them by luck, or you can just type on YouTube if he has responded.
Yeah,
there has to be a video somewhere.
It will bring it up because remember the media, they may get breaking news now. Then he's at a press release.
Yeah.
Then they'll ask him at that moment and say, "Hey man, did you just hear about the job numbers?"
Exactly, bro.
And then he'll say, "Oh yeah, no, look, my friend."
Yeah, you're almost there. Ash almost cracked Trump's voice. Almost. Yeah. No, you're gonna get it, Ash. No, don't worry.
That's hilarious, bro.
So imagine you know how to crack the voice. I've done the shimmy before. So
hey, brother, hey, that thing, yeah.
Nah, the guys have forgotten.
Oh, yeah. Well, it just reminded them.
Nah, none of them remember.
They don't remember.
Nah, it happened 2 years ago. None of them remember. Okay, so gold, we are now starting to go down. So I think with gold, I'm on the M5. It's consolidating here now.
And you know what is so interesting? The Iranian, the Middle Eastern tension versus the jobs. Lower jobs, concerns for inflation. It's a very interesting thing. I'm really observing the contradiction, or at least the contrast rather, between the two. Much lower jobs, but the inflation, there's concerns. Very, very interesting.
I think I'm gonna join you on that.
The gold and the
AUD,
yeah.
Gold. All right, so I've joined Ash on the gold. I'm looking to scalp it from where it is. I don't really have a take profit here.
I'm just scalping it. I just wanted to drop a little bit so I can scalp it.
Okay, so I've gotten in. All right, so standing by. All right, standing by. Seems like silver's gonna break below 63.9 for some downside. All right. So let's see, standing by. It just feels like the greater focus. Yeah, so wait, going back to Trump's response. Yeah, just keep an eye on YouTube. Just search if he has responded. And I know one of the the news websites like your investing.com, Yahoo Finance, they might, if he has and they captured it, then they might say it there. All right.
Yeah.
So just keep an eye on that. It just feels like the greater focus is on the interest rates than the job. Somehow there's this fear of price instability. Yeah, the fear has always been there, right? Okay, good. We are on profits. We've just gone into profits, Ash. Yeah, no, look, the fear of price instability is always there, regardless of what geopolitical event we have. But I also agree. It seems like the greater focus is on interest rates. And this is why the Fed chair said that markets must focus on incoming data.
Yeah.
Right. Incoming data, because he saw that a lot of focus is on him and interest rates and the pressure from politics. So therefore he said, hey, look, we're not going to give forward guidance anymore. We're not going to give you guys hints. We just want the markets to react to incoming data.
But bro, you know what? That is a nice thing to say. Bro, because he knows like what's really popping,
Yeah, he knows, bro.
He knows what's really going down.
Yeah, no, Ash, I'm good. I think I'm gonna start closing now.
Yeah.
Okay, so gold, we are shorting gold. We shorted. We are in sales on gold. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close now. I think I'm good. Just a quick scalp on the 1 minute. Yeah. So let's just wait a little bit.
Yeah, the gold's looking good here on my side as well.
Yeah, it seems like it wants to bounce now.
Yeah, I also got into the GBP USD, also scalps quickly.
I'll have a look at it.
Yeah, gold looking good.
Yeah. The DXY is currently sitting on the support level. Will it reject for upside? Gold, silver drop. Excuse me. Have you been checking out the DXY there?
No, I haven't.
Let's actually see. DXY. So you say 99.447. Oh, DXY dropped. Oh. On the 1 hour, 4 hour. 99447. Take it. Yeah, there's definitely a support there. Okay, so I mean, right now, I think it's early to say whether it's gonna bounce or break. It's a little bit early right now because it's just sitting there, I'm looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. 4 hour, we don't even have much information there, like candlesticks. But the 1 hour, there's just a small candlestick. The current 1 hour candle just sitting there. So I think give it a bit of time, right? It's now 20 minutes after 3. Maybe look at it at 6, maybe. Then would have more data, right? But at the moment, I think it's a little bit too early now. All right. So gold is rejecting. It went down, right? So out on that one, just a few now. On that one, so silver.
Yeah, silver, interesting, man. It's almost at that 63. It actually bounced off 63. So
bounced off 63. It bounced off 63.
I think, if the guys are in any shorts pro dollar now, it's just a bit of time. Just give it, for it just to do its thing.
That gold, I'm looking at the structure on the M15, the M5. That gold,
Needs one more drop.
yeah, it's back inside the consolidation between 4345, 4352. Back inside the consolidation. Yeah.
It needs just one more drop. And then from that last drop, it may just go up again.
Standing by. When gold. Yeah, I think now things are a little bit quiet now. But let's
see in 7 minutes. Let's wait for the US Open and see what happens. All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if the dollar possibly strengthens further. Give us that extra push we need.
All right, we're standing by. We're hoping that you guys are enjoying so far. This is the NFP. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Well, you just missed the performance. All right, but next time. All right. So NFP figures, very disappointing. Negative 23,000 for the month of July. Unemployment rate went down to 4.1% from 4.2%. I guess that's a good thing. Unemployment rate lowering down. Average hourly earnings went down to 0.1%. So we got an initial weak dollar reaction. We saw gold pushing up, silver pushing up, and the dollar-based currencies pushing down. All right. Like your USD JPY. So we just want to wait up until the open to see what's going to happen. I've got the feeling that the move is still developing. So let's just wait 5 more minutes or 6, 7. But we're hoping that you guys have enjoyed yourself. You're enjoying yourself. Nkoni, that Michael J. White line. What movie is that? Do you remember the movie? If you remember the movie, maybe give me the movie. I'll go watch the movie. Yeah. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing.
Yep, it's went quiet.
Yeah, I just want to check Yahoo if there's anything. I know Bloomberg has reported on it. Blood and Bone. I'll go watch Blood and Bone. Yeah, that's the Michael J. White movie, Blood and Bone.
US stock futures rose on Friday as the soft jobs data dimmed the risks of a rate hike by the Federal Reserve next month. Yes.
Wait. Let's go back to last part. Dimmed the risks of a rate hike.
Yeah. Risks.
Risks of a rate hike.
Yep. Listen to the choice of words.
Yeah, it's interesting why they would say that dimmed the risks of a rate hike.
Because interest rates, they each have their pros and cons. There's times when higher rates are good, and there's times when lower rates are good. Go. But it depends who's in control. Because Republicans versus Democrats, they want different things.
Ash, bro. Just a few reports here. The economy shared 23,000 jobs last month. The Labor Department said Friday, though the unemployment rate slid to 4.1%. Economists surveyed by Bloomberg had expected a gain of 80,000 positions, an improvement from June revised. Okay, those predictions were dashed as retailers axed positions. Leisure and hospitality dropped 40,000 roles as the World Cup wound down. So the World Cup ended.
And they have minus 23,000.
Minus 20. Nah. Wait, before the World Cup, how many jobs were there? I just want to go back to the May figures. The May figures were very healthy. 172,000 new jobs for the month of May. and then it went down for the month of June, went down for the month of July. June and July. I mean, June it was 57,000. July negative 23,000. Nah. So what? They're gonna blame it on the World Cup now. They're gonna blame it on the World Cup. Yeah, no, it's interesting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. They Live. It's a great 80s movie. They Live. Blood and Bone. They Live. Monday is a holiday, so I might just catch up on those movies there. All right.
Happy, is it Women's Day on?
Women's Day, bruh. Women's Day. Happy Women's Day in advance to all the women in the world. Yeah. Happy Women's Day in advance. All right. So let's see the open, how the open is gonna come out. But this NFP session, the previous one was a lot better than this one, right? This one, for me, it wasn't in terms of the movement and what we were looking for, right? That kind of movements. At this point, at the moment, nah. Silver didn't break up. Gold broke down slightly, went down, pushed up. A bit of a break even there. So silver, yeah.
And the guys can still trade on Monday though.
Or even later today.
Yeah, because it's the Women's Day is not a global.
Or is it not?
South African holiday. So the guys can trade on Monday. Markets are open.
All right. So we are 19, 18, 17 seconds and counting before the open there, Ash. So we're just going to have a look at the open and then
then we push it.
Let's see. It seems like silver is going to finish the structure and go back to 4370 before it goes down.
Yeah, I think it could go up for another, just one more time.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. No. So then we are going to prepare for the CPI next week. I believe it's on a Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday, CPI. Same time, same place. So, I think the CPI is going to be much better than this one. Right. So, so after this one, the CPI. So if gold, we're looking at gold, if it breaks below 4345, a quick scalps from there if it does that. But if it breaks above, if it goes up to break above 4370, there could be some scalps there. It's just trading in between at the moment. So we're going to be watching out for those levels. Below 4345 or above 4370, just some quick scalps. Silver is... silver, the price action on silver right now, it is just because silver might just go down first to force to 63.6. It might just go down to 63.6 first before it goes up. So it's just still building its formation. While USD JPY, it's going back to 157.6, that zone there. Right, it's going back.
Remember that divergence, bro. Yep. That thing is... divergence is there.
Still there.
Yeah, it's still there. So it looks like it wants to finish up.
All right. So
the market the US just opened, so
yeah, you just open now. But that's on the 4 hours. Say 4 hour, 1 hour.
no, it was a 1 hour. Look at the NAS, the US 30 coming down now, S&P coming down at the US Open. So which means the dollar could strengthen here. Yep. AUD USD pushing down, GBP USD pushing down now. Nice.
Yeah, silver's still gonna push down. I think gold is gonna push down first. Silver and gold are gonna push down first. So okay. No. I don't know on your side there, Ash.
Yeah, no, I'm all good. I think so. I'm on shorts for AUD USD, GBP USD, and gold at this point. I'm just waiting for it to come down a little bit more, and then I'm going to exit for Friday.
All right.
Oil price I'm watching carefully. It's still at a support, high or low. So let's see what it does there at the start of next week.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the NFP. This is how it's looking. Seems like gold and silver are gonna just push down just a little bit. So on gold, we are watching out for that 4345.6 break below that. Some more scalps there. Silver, I'm not gonna even touch silver because of the current price action, but gold, I think it's good.
Yeah, gold is good, AUD is good, GBP is good.
Yeah.
And then for the guys in NZD, USD also good. All the major pairs are having a nice pullback now. So yeah.
All right. Yep. I think that's it.
That's it. Yeah. 1534. That's it.
1534.
Yeah,
right. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
My performance just needs a little bit of tweaking, but I'm gonna give you a proper Denzel performance.
Yeah, guys,
My
it was
man.
a privilege for me to be in the studio with Denzel, the man Washington.
My man. There. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna go back and rewatch that American Gangster. That's my favorite movie.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice to see a redo of some, because I think if you get the memory back.
Yeah, I'm a little bit rusty at the moment. Yeah. Plus, we had just had big lunch. Myself and Ash had a big lunch, so you can imagine that. Yeah,
the stomach being
it's a
full,
bit heavy,
a bit heavy, so the voice didn't properly.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need a bit of a emptier stomach, or what, or less full.
50% to 50% capacity.
50% capacity. Okay, guys.
So but yeah, I'm coming back with the Denzel. And I know a lot of his monologues, bro. So that's good. Yeah. From The Great Debaters.
Yeah.
From American Gangster.
But listen, you must do that Michael J. White one.
Yeah, I'll watch the movie Blood and Bone. But it's a good line. I read the line. It's actually a good line. It's a nice line. It's a nice line. And Michael J is not my favorite actor, but
he's there. He's
there.
He's with the guys somewhere there. Somewhere there he's with the guys.
All right. I think
guys.
that's it, guys.
That's it.
Have a good one. Cheers. Enjoy your long weekend.
Yeah.
We'll catch you back on Tuesday for our daily trading rooms, Wednesday for the CPI. And yeah, we'll catch you guys there. Have a good one, guys. Cheers.
Ciao.